Imagine a place where ancient legends meet futuristic tech, a land where lush rolling hills guard tales of mythical heroes and cobblestone streets hum the energy of ambitious minds. Welcome to Ireland. Beyond its postcard worthy landscapes, Ireland offers international students a blend of world class education, vibrant culture, and a community that welcomes you like family. They say the luck of the Irish rubs off on anyone who visits. So if you're ready for an adventure that's as rich in opportunity as it is in charm, Ireland might be just calling your name. Hey everyone, I am Ankit Jain and today we are going to explore why Ireland has become one of the Europe's best study destinations. Trust me, this one place you don't want to miss out on. First, let's get into what sets Ireland apart. This is a country known as the land of saints and scholars, and it has a proud history of education that goes back centuries. Ireland's universities are renowned worldwide not just for academics but for innovative research and industry connections. Big names like Google, Facebook, Apple have their European bases here, so you can imagine the professional landscape that awaits. But it's not just about work. Ireland's culture is everywhere in its music, its festivals, its streets, and its people. As a student, you will experience the warmth of hospitality of Irish life, whether you are grabbing a coffee in Dublin or hiking the Cliffs of Moher. Plus, being an English-speaking country, Ireland offers the comfort of language familiarity, perfect if you are new to studying abroad. Irish institutions pride themselves on practical, hands-on education. You won't just be memorizing theories. Instead, you will engage into projects, internships, and industry partnerships that give you real-world experience. Some of the Ireland's top institutions include Trinity College Dublin, known for its historic campus and high academic reputation, especially in the fields of law, literature, and science. University College Dublin, a favorite among international students with strong programs in business, engineering, and computer science. These universities are not just about earning a degree. They are about equipping you with the skills to excel in today's global job market. Okay, wait. If you have heard that the Ireland is Europe's Silicon Valley, yes, you heard that right. Dublin alone hosts the European headquarters of some of the biggest tech giants. This means an abundance of internships, jobs, and networking opportunities, especially in the industries like tech, business, and pharmaceuticals. Ireland's economy has seen massive growth, and as a student, you will have a front row seats to its dynamic job market. And here's a major bonus. Ireland offers a generous post-study visa option, allowing you to stay for up to 2 years after graduation to work and gain experience. That's 2 years to explore your career options, make professional connections, and immerse yourself fully into the Irish work culture. Let's talk about the cost of living. Compared to other European countries, Ireland is fairly affordable, especially if you consider the cities beyond Dublin like Cork, Limerick, or Galway. Monthly expenses range from €1,200 to €1,800 depending on where you live and your lifestyle. And with so many student-friendly cafes, markets, and transport options, living here is as convenient as it is enjoyable. And of course, when you're not studying, Ireland's landscapes are something out of the storybook. Take a weekend trip to the Ring of Kerry or visit the Giant's Causeway up north. Whether you're into hiking, surfing, or simply soaking into history, Ireland is an adventure waiting to happen. So if you're searching for a country with an unbeatable mix of education, career opportunities, and cultural experiences, Ireland has it all. This is just the beginning. In part 2 of this video, we'll cover how to apply, the visa process, tips to successful admissions, and scholarships like the Irish government scholarships in Ireland. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and if you're already studying in Ireland, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and insights. See you in part 2.